What's up, what's up, what's up? Hey, what's on YouTube? This is Do Unboxing Official. This is another episode. What we got right here is the Magic Zero. Beautiful Magic Zero, right? Keep this aside. Manual, charging cable, not USB, little brush, oil, and 3 guards. Keep this aside. And there is no blade protector. And I heard it's very, very sharp. That's what I heard. And you cannot zero gap it. Okay, first time. It is beautiful, very, very beautiful. Okay, and it's not written, it is written, wait, 800 milliamp, 1 hour charging time, and using time, they didn't write it, and 8 watts, which is very, very good, and it's water resist. Okay, I understand. It's very beautiful, man. Somehow it's for ladies. Magic Zero. Okay, let's turn it on. What? This is not fast. Battery. Okay, I need to charge it. Okay, so I'll be back. Yo, this is the cam follower, but I haven't removed it. I just unscrew the screw a little bit, then push the cutting blade forward. It was moving, so then I tight it again, so it's all good now, I guess.